Hello you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do make sure that you do share this video. So following yesterday's episode of Uthando Nesthembu, fans of course are fuming and calling to cancel Umusam Seleku after the statement that he made about his wife Thobile Makhumalo Mseleku's inability to bear kids for him. Umusam Seleku said that what we bought her is what she is failing to do, saying of course referring to Makhumalo's inability to bear kids for the Seleku clans. She says that, even though Makhumalo is actually doing a good job as a financial advisor of the house, that is not what she was brought there to do. She was brought there to bear kids for him. And unfortunately, Makhumalo is sadly failing to do that. And of course, those words were uttered by Umusam Seleku's very own mouth, you guys. And you could see the disappointment and sadness on Makhumalo's face when her husband said that, obviously, you guys. And fans were fuming, saying to Umusam Seleku, how dare you, shame your wife in front of the whole country like that. You know that Thobile has been struggling for quite some time now to give you kids, but you go out on national television to ridicule her. Well, Umusam Seleku has kind of done some sort of a video after receiving backlash on social media. He did this video and posted it on his social media, of course, regarding the statement that he made about Makhumalo's inability to bear kids for him. Please do check this video out and of course engage your thoughts with me in the comments section and subscribe if you haven't yet done so. I'll see you in the next video.
Sanibonani Mzansi, ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi Uthando Nesthembu likhulile laze lafika la likhona. Le video le angivamile ukwenza ama video kodwa ngithi angiyenze ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi hayi impe engibhekene nayo enkulu. Kodwa ngesikhathi siqala Uthando Nesthembu sishonga ukuthi konke kuzoba kuhle noma kuzoba kubi. Sathi naku thina sizoninikeza isithembu bese niya decide nina ukuthi niyasifuna isithembu noma nisifuna. But into eyenza ngenze le video ukhuluma ngoMakhumalo. I have never said uMakhumalo lento enishoyo ngaye. Ngithena mina lento ayiphumele ekhaya imhlulela ukuthi ayenzela kaMseleku. Ungeseka lokho. Because nginomuzo omkhulu. Ikona kuphela engikhuluma ngakho. Manje nina senifaka okunye okuningi. Yazi mina noMakhumalo we are right kakhulu and angikwazi ukufaka abanye abantu mangikhuluma ngaye because labo bantu kuyoba sengathi bakhulu kunoMakhumalo. So that will be unfortunate, but I'm simply saying uMakhumalo lento ayiganile emenza boMrs Mseleku number 3, meaning kusho ukuthi lento ayiganile fanele ayeseke iyona kuphela engikhuluma ngayo. Angikhulumi ngokunye lokhu nina enikhuluma ngakho and kuyangitshela mina ukuthi anikho esithembweni because kube benisisithembweni benizo understand ukuthi uMseleku ukukhuluma ngesithembu. But ngiyabonga kakhulu konke lokho enikushoyo kuyasilekelela ekutheni sikwazi ukuya phambili and engathi ningaqhubeka njalo nime nje nina besilo nime nina beqhawe nisilekelela ukuthi sikwazi njalo ukuya phambili. Ngaphandle kwenu asiyilutho. Siyabonga kakhulu. Angazi ke noma abantu basasifuna isithembu ngoba kungenza ukuthi sebe decide ukuthi ayi isithembu ngisasifuna, isithembu ngiyasifuna. Hayi ayibanga bande khona.